back in the house. It's day 3. And once again, I'm starting the day late, but it's all good. So what we're gonna do today is strip down the engine bay of the Notch. And what I'm gonna do before I really pull out the K-member and all that is I wanna do a direct transfer of the wires from one car to the next directly without like having them sit around too long, because then I'll forget where they go and all that kind of stuff. So the Notch is just a Notch. I'm just gonna strip him down and then yeah, get that engine bay naked. Take the motor out too. All right, let's go. Yeah, so just to solve the problem real quick of the trunk, put power to it, and I forgot that quick. There's this thing called the trunk button. Does it work? It's not working. So I got pretty overly ambitious real quick and thought that I was gonna throw a battery in there and the trunk was gonna release, but it did not. So back to square one. I checked the fuse. The fuse is fine. So here's what it is. All right. So let's move back to what I was doing. Let me take this battery out. So, got the fuel line out, and I'm not gonna bend this up. I might use this for mayhem. I don't know. Depends on if it's the same diameter, if I'm getting gas all over the place. But I think it's designed like this because of the exhaust. They try to keep it away from the exhaust, because on the Fox, it's really tight to the frame. This one was too, but where it comes out to attach to the motor is right pretty much where the exhaust is. So that might be some straight up junk right there, but we'll see. All right, let's move on. All right, so we're at that time. Disconnected the power steering, disconnected the, to drain the coolant, took all the wiring loose, throttle cable, alternator cables, exhaust, and transmission. All right, le momento of truth. That's not Spanish. Okay, until it hits the hood. All right, I'm gonna pull it forward. It's kind of hard to do this filming with one hand. All right, it's time to come. So she's out. Told you I was doing it today. So I'm gonna just finish cleaning up all this crap over here. It's pretty barren over here. And I gotta pull that computer out and that harness and start to figure out what to do with this here K member. Crazy thing is that I'm just on the fence about whether to take the whole thing out or just do the springs. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, man, what do you think I should do? Take out the whole K and swap them, or should I just do the springs and change the spindles for the V8 spindles? Let me know. All right. So yeah, we got two stripped down cars. And this, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, man. It's an interesting little motor, man. And I would say that a lot of Ford's technology is based off of this design right here, especially the turbo, the 2.3T. That, you know, you got the what they call EcoBoost now, right? So something interesting about this, man. This is like a testing phase. So I don't know, I might have some fun with this, man. It's a cool little motor. You know, clean him up. Like I said, make a little go-kart or a buggy or something. I tried not to cut any of the harness at all. So I don't know. Let's see if we can have some fun with it. All right, so that's it for today. As you can see, I'm dirt McGirt, but I made it, got the motor out. So now, tomorrow is the K. We're gonna deal with the K member, getting that swapped out. And I'm still waiting on the bushing tool so I can put in the rear end in this car. And I don't know, before I get started anything dirty tomorrow, I'm gonna clean myself up, go into the trunk here and try to get into the rear trunk, because the button isn't working and I don't have a key. So it is what it is. All right, so yeah, once again, junkyard dogging. Woo!